years ago.
So yeah.
Proven yourself to be even stronger than them. Well done.
So we gotta go out. Let's see, what missions do we have? Yeah, nothing. Oh well, I want to get the mission where we go against the what is it? I gotta talk to Tanis because I do want to get. All right, sounds good, Jinx. Yeah, probably for my Siren, I'll go through with other people. Because the Siren by herself gets pretty tedious. Yeah, I want to do Splinter Group. So we'll get the pizza.
They must be put down. You will need a way to lure them out. Head to Moxie's and acquire some bait I have ordered.
Also, when you have other people, you don't have to go through as much of the game. That makes it a lot easier. Let's see, do we have, what's his name anywhere?
Find pizza irresistible. You will lure them out with this pizza, then murder them.
Mike Muriel, nowhere. Okay. Where? Oh. Lost my bearings there for a second. Didn't know where I was going. Even when I have my PC all, set up and I'm playing on PC, I still plan on playing with a Xbox controller, just because I'm more used to it. I also don't have a really good area to use a mouse and keyboard. I have all the DLCs for Borderlands 2, every single one of them. That might be another thing once I get to level 72 and I'm going through to get some of my weapons that I want. I might play through with some viewers on those, because I obviously, once I get to level 72 is when I need to go back through to grab weapons such as the Sandhawk. I'm going to want a level 72 of that. I'm going to want, the Grog Nozzle levels up, obviously. But there's certain weapons I'm going to want to have a level 72 of.
Everybody, I've got a really bad idea. Scooter, get Sanctuary in the air. Roland, get me some Iridium.
Pretty sure we can't do that without killing, I don't know, everyone in the city. It ain't ready to... Wow, Lily? You got your order, Scooter. Move!
Alright, talk to Scooter. We'll go over here. We'll turn on this one.
Now! I'ma need your help real bad. Alright, I got this one. All you gotta do
Gotta
is...
get the last one. And then we gotta get the Iridium for Lilith.
Everybody get ready!
This part I know is pretty much impossible to die at, unless you fall through the center of the town, which is a possibility. I've pretty much just ran around getting hit by, run around and been hit by all of the different explosions and stuff. But you can actually fall through that center area if you run through it too early. So if you don't want to die at this part, don't do that.
This is all part of my plan. I'm such a rock star.
Alright, give her the Iridium.
I've never used this much. Might want to hang on to something.
No, I'm just gonna stand right here.
Sorry, kid. That was an accident. I'll see you on the other side, though, I promise. Hit it, Scooter.
Man, this is one of them moments. Catch a ride!
So we're gonna go do the Splinter Group. We'll see if we can get a home front.
That's the best you got. A flying city? What did you jumps possibly have that makes you think you've got a chance against me? Son.
get out now? Yeah, we can. Good. So we'll fast travel to the Strong Shots Bloodshot Stronghold. If I could speak right. Alrighty. So we'll go into here. Oh wait, no. Oh, we'll just go right over here because this will bring us right to the Bloodshot Stronghold.
Never occurred to you that she was working for me, did it? I did the same thing to
Sell some of the stuff that we have.
I'll be entirely honest. Tricking you guys this time? Way funnier.
That. Override cooldown. Oh, because that's the... Okay. Got it. Yeah, because this one, you always have to make sure, because cooldown rate and override cooldown rate, so this is for your actual action skill. The override cooldown rate is for anything like within your action skill that you are trying to go off of. Actually, let me see here. Let's put on the mission. Splinter group. We won't be able to farm them because we have to be able to turn it into Tannis in order to farm them. But we're just going to go through and see if we can get it on the first try. So we got to reach $1 million. That's one that we're close to. Pick this up because otherwise that'll happen every single time. So, pick that up. Then again, go back to the proper mission, splinter group. Oh, no. Oh, wait, we gotta wait for him to. Come on. Alright. Alright, so we'll go back to that mission. There we go. In here, I believe at this point we can get the corrosive ones to spawn. Kill this rat. There we go. We'll be able to take him down, it's no problem. Should be no problem to take him down. And we'll get that back. So we're gonna try killing some of these guys just to get some experience here. See what's in here. Anything good. Potentially might hold on to that just because the purple. But I don't think it's amazing, so. But we'll take out these guys. Yep, it's right there, plague rats. We're gonna have a ton of rats coming up when we go into the fridge, so. No worry about having enough rats to kill. I hate the rats. I hate them because of how well designed they are, I guess. What vehicle do you like the most? I do feel like the Bandit one's too weak. I really just like the basic vehicle with the machine gun on it. I feel like that one honestly really does do the best. Take him out. Take him out. Perfect. But yeah, the basic just, you know, vehicle with the machine gun I think is my favorite one, especially when you have the B shield on. It definitely just helps out a lot. Where is he? He's behind me. But yeah, when you have the B-Shield on, it just does so much damage overall. So, that's why I think I like it the best. Alright. Hopefully we don't go down here, because sometimes they can be dicks and they will disappear, and then yep, they have to respawn. Hopefully if we see Stormfront drop, we can pick it up before another one picks it up. No Stormfront, but we're gonna go and kill Splinter. Yes, we're actually gonna kill Splinter. One, two, three. One, two, three. I know there's another way to do this. This is just the way that I do it, though. I know that some people have a faster way. It's just easier for me to remember all threes. One, two. And then while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to break this open. Nothing good in there. Three. And then fight Splinter. Slag him. Really? I don't think I've ever had him go all the way back here. Alright. He dropped his shotgun though. Did we pick that up? Should have picked that up. No? Did we not get... Did it fall through the floor? Really? I hate when stuff falls through the floor. I don't think we would have used it, but... That's another thing that gets annoying, is things falling through the floor like that. So let's see here. Not too bad. Take all this stuff. Alright, so rather than going through this whole area, I'm just gonna reset it, go back in. And we should be able to make it through the fridge and get the core before I'm done with stream today. I really appreciate all you guys that came into the stream today, talking in the chat and stuff like that. Make sure to look at when I'm streaming the rest of the week. I believe I'm streaming for the most part at 9 to 11 every day up until Thursday is the first day I have off, and then from then on I believe I'm streaming for the rest of the week. So we're gonna get rid of that. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of... Well, we'll hold on. That's a flat off. We'll get rid of that. Yeah, we'll hold on to this. Hold on to that. Get rid of all these guns, because they're all just junk. Hold on to those. Keep that. We're actually gonna go back to that other shield, because the B shield is gonna put us down way too many times. So we're gonna go over here. So we have to go to the fridge for the main mission, which we're going to put back up here. Rising action. Alright, so we're going to go to the fridge. So we're going to go to Three Horns Valley. That's where the fridge will be. Very nice. 2 legendaries from the midgets. What level are you playing on? Alright, so we'll grab the vehicle over here. Actually, you know what? Forget the vehicle. We're just going to run up. The time it would take us to grab the vehicle and drive over here is going to be the same amount of time that it would be to just run over here. Actually, I'm going to do Gunzerker to get a little bit of speed. Because we're just going to end up respawning it anyways while we go through the door to the fridge.
You'll be able to reconnect with your friends after you get through the fridge.
Kill kill these guys over here. These guys are level 37. I feel like we're actually going through this playthrough pretty decently, leveling up as the playthrough goes, as the actual game levels. So sometimes on True Vault Hunter mode, you get the feeling that it's still like Ultimate Vault Hunter mode. Obviously, it goes at the same rate that you do. But True Vault Hunter mode, sometimes you can get screwed over where it's leveling faster than you are. Wow. Gotta go over here. Hold up for a second. Level 52. So, yeah, so typically if you're level 72 and you're playing UVHM and you're doing the loot midget, you can usually get quite a few legendaries and also pearlescence.
Son of a witch. The door's iced over. Let me help you with that.
So it's saying tough. What's it saying the level is for what we're on? Level 40. Oh, we're level 38, so we should be fine though still. I'm not worried about it. Alright, we're good. Because we'll be level 39 throughout most of the mission anyways. So we should be fine.
I've been following Jack's orders from the beginning. Jack modified the power core you found to have a Hyperion network uplink. Through it, I was able to access Sanctuary's defenses and lower them. It was all part of Jack's plan.
Alright, so we should be able to make it through the fridge. I don't think we're actually going to get the power core before we're done, but we should be able to make it through the fridge. Again, we're going to run through here just so that we can... no, we're definitely going to go down, aren't we? Nope. There's so much... I mean, so many barrels and things in this area that just destroy you. We really have to just keep on Gunzerking and hopefully we can kill this guy. Yep. So with the weapons we have... Alright, yeah, we really just want to run through. Because these guys are a little overpowered for us.
Opening the vault. I told them it was to protect Pandora from a great evil. That was a lie. Jack knew he could make a fortune off the iridium held within the vault, but he was too much of a coward.
But yeah, rats, because of their movement and everything, and they do have a little bit better health than some of the other enemies. So we'll get through the fridge here.
Without you, Pandora has no hope. You have no reason to trust me, I get that. But if you're going to stop...
So Highlands Outwash. So we'll come over here, we'll try to use the fast travel station. It's going to tell us that we can't. Come to this. Sell some of those weapons that we just picked up. Let's see if there's anything. Level 39. So cooldown rate goes up. We'll end up taking... We're going to buy that. We're going to buy some stuff here. So buy that. Even though we can't use them yet, we're going to be able to use them very shortly though. I mean, look at that. We're, I mean, right on the edge of level 39. So let me make sure to remind myself that I want to keep those. So.
Error. Location, Sanctuary, not
So guys, that's going to bring us to the end of our stream today. make sure to tune in tomorrow at 9 o'clock for my next stream. We'll be doing 9 to 11 again. Thank you for all the guys that, again, that were talking in chat. Jinx123, Kizo, Got a Name, Japia, what is it? Jepla99 and AppyBF3. Thank you guys for talking in the chat and getting things going. And I will see you guys tomorrow.